However, you might wonder, how can I get my website to appear on search engine like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others? You may have done everything correctly, but when you search for your website or webpage on Google, you might not see it listed at all. Why this happen? And how can you connect your website to search engines? To address this, we will start with Google, focusing on how to make your website visible in its search results. One tool that can help you is Google Search Console, GSC. You can simply search for it Google to find the link. Open the link, you will land on a page. From that, here you can click Start button, which will take you to another page. If you are new to this page, your page will be empty since no properties are added yet. That means website. For those who have already used it, it might show existing websites. If you see here, this is bloomingtutorial.com is a verified property. So if you want to add new property, come here down and click add property. Here you can verify through your domain, for example bloomingtutorial.com, or else you can verify through your URL. Yes, okay. So if you click continue, it will take you to the verification ownership page. Okay, so for that, here I'm going to change demo.com. okay, press continue. The verification process might seem a bit technical, but it's simple once you follow the instructions. Google offers multiple methods for verifications. First one, HTML file. Google provides a file you can download, just one click, and upload to your host, and then click verify to verify the ownership. Then second one, HTML tag. You just copy this meta tag from Google and paste it into the header section of your website. For example, you can paste this code between the head tag of your header section of your website. Then, if you are using a WordPress plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math, you can easily add this tag in the Webmaster Tools section of the plugin settings. Third one, you can use your existing Google Analytics account to verify the website. Fourth one, Google Tag Manager. Use the Tag Manager setup to complete the verification. The last one, Domain Name Provider. Verify ownership through your domain name provider. Once you verified, your website will be added to Google Search Console. Over time, your site will appear in Google search result. This process works similarly for other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, etc. One crucial detail to keep in mind: if your website uses HTTPS, which is Secured Connection Protocol, and or HTTP, non-secured, so ensure you specify the correct version when you're creating the property. For example, you might need to add both HTTP or HTTPS version of your site as properties to cover all bases.